Hello kids, welcome back to my channel, The Kids Queen. So kids, today we will learn about the transportation or the vehicles used in our daily life. So let's start from the airplane, rickshaw, car, etc. First of all, this is a car. C-A-R, car. A car is used for traveling with family or friends, and the car has different colors like red, blue, yellow, gray, white, etc. This is a bus, B-U-S, bus, used for transportation for so many people to travel from one place to another. Buses are also used in local transport. They carry students to the school and carries workers to their offices in their daily life. It is a taxi, T-A-X-I, taxi. Taxis has mostly yellow color so they can attract the people. Taxi is a car. It takes people from one place to another where they want to go for a fee. It is a police car, P-O-L-I-C-E, police, C-A-R, car, police car, which is used to arrest the criminals. Police car is used by the police officers to keep the people safe from the bad guys and arrest the criminals. This is ambulance, A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. It is a life protector for the people. Ambulance is used to take hurt and sick people to the hospitals quickly. It is a fire truck, F-I-R-E, fire, T-R-U-C-K, truck, fire truck, used to protect the people from the fire. The fire truck carries the firefighters and the equipment to put out the fire and rescue people. This is a truck, T-R-U-C-K, truck, used to carry the load. A truck is a big vehicle that carries food and the heavy things like furniture. This is a delivery van, D-A-L-I-V-E-R-Y, delivery V-A-N, van, used to take the parcel from one place to another. The delivery truck brings packages, letter, and food to the home and businesses. It is a tractor, T-R-A-C-T-O-R, tractor, used by the farmers in the field. A tractor is used by the farmers to plow the field and also used to carry heavy farm tools. This vehicle is called a bicycle, B-I-C-L-E, bicycle, used by the boys or elders to travel. A bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle that you pedal to move, and it is a great source of fun and exercise. This is a scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. It is also a source of transportation. A scooter is a small motorbike that is a fun and easy to ride. It is a motorcycle, M-O-T-O-R, motor, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle, motorcycle, used by the adults. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled cycle with a motor, often used by the grown-ups to travel from one place to another. It is a train, T-R-A-I-N, train, a quick source of transportation. A train is a long vehicle that runs on tracks and carry people and cargo to the cities and towns. It is a race car, R-A-C-E, race, C-A-R, car, race car, used by the racers. A race car is a fast car used in races like the Formula 1. It is a subway train, SUV, WAY subway, TRAIN train, subway train. A subway train is a underground train that moves in big cities to help people to move quickly. This vehicle is called a van, VAN van, and used in so many different things. A van is bigger than a car and it carries more people and stuff from one place to another. This is a tricycle, TRICYCLE, cycle, tricycle used by the kids to play. A tricycle is three-wheeled cycle which is used by the youngers to learn the balance. This vehicle is called a dump truck, DUMP, dump, TRUCK, truck used to carry garbage. A dump truck is used to carry the sand, rocks, and the dumps to the construction sites. This vehicle is called a bulldozer, 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 that is used in construction. A bulldozer is a big machine with a big blade that is used to push things or dirt in the construction site. So kids, I hope you all understand the vehicle used in transportation. So kids, I hope you all like the video. For more videos, like and subscribe my channels.